Hey everybody, welcome back to Ryan Makes Sense, where we talk personal finance, investing, and chart analysis. Today we are doing something a little bit different. We're actually looking at all of the scanners and screeners we created over the past year, 2 years, and we're actually going to be tracking these stocks going forward for the next 1 to 2 to 5+ years to see if they do yield actual stocks that go 1000%. So this first one is catered and based off of the ticker symbol VRT, Veritiv stock. That stock went from $8 to $12 to 100 plus. It's now trading at 88. In my last video, I actually reviewed all of these stocks, and there were two that I was just impressed with. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through all of these, and I'm going to save them as a portfolio. And we're essentially going to track them and check back up on them in a year or 2 years, etc. So we're going to call this Covert 10x stocks. Recalculate. So essentially, I have to say that I own these stocks. I really don't. This is just for base tracking. So I buy them today and we see how they're doing a year from now. So we've completed one. Now we're on the ELF scan. Earlier this year, we looked at ticker symbol ELF. It went from, I don't even remember, it went up 2,334%. And these are the exact stocks that hit the same criteria. I have not reviewed all of these individually recently. However, I do have a catalog of about 3,000 to 4,000 stocks, and I'm guessing if I were to just check on any one of these, I probably have uh, looked at it before. Let's just go ahead and look at LPG as an example. Boom. Why didn't I buy it down at? Oh, they did a split. That's why. I was like, it's negative. Damn. Damn. Okay, so now we're gonna save this, save as portfolio, and it's gonna be our ELF 2334% scan. ELF 2334%. I'll just put that, recalculate 100. Okay. Perfect. Next one is based off of buying Apple at $16. As we can see, as we can see, there's nothing here. So we're going to go ahead and get out of that. This is our Tesla scan, basically looking at Tesla before it ran over 1,000%. We've got 12 stocks here. I mean, we're just going to continue to save as portfolio. And we're going to call this Vroom like Tesla. Recalculate. And again, the recalculation is just to show that I have skin in the game. I technically don't. It's just so, if you're familiar with FinViz, you need to have something there showing that you actually have a position to see your overall gain or loss. We have one stock that fits the Enphase scan when Enphase was $1, and I remember selling it. And we're just gonna look at this one stock because I'm genuinely interested. Telos Software. Does this have the chance to go 1000%? We're gonna find out. Wow. Quite possibly. I mean, what makes them different than any other company? Advanced technologies, cybersecurity, risk management. Okay. Sorry, just deviating from the plan just a smidge. They're down year over year. Don't really like that. They have 93 million in cash. That's really good. 195 million in assets, 40 million liabilities. Assets dwarf liabilities about over 4 to 1. Wow, look at this. Damn. Damn. Buying it at $3 and $4, and now the stock is 360. Dang, guys. these? Let's just look at the website. I just want to see. Like, is this, I mean, truly, could it be like TLS? I just want to see what institutions and hedge funds are doing as well. It looks like institutions and hedge funds own 61%. That is older data. So we will see what the new data looks like, because this website we're going to look at shows us as the it shows us as SEC receives those submissions. Okay, so obviously bullish. TSA pre-check. Hello. Hello. Well, I mean, hello. Yeah. Okay, well, automatically bullish. Institutions own 61%. That is old data. New data, 64%. So it is an increase. Let's see what the big boys and girls are doing. Vanguard owns 3.6 million. BlackRock owns 1 million. So, I mean, the risk reward down here is absolutely perfectly fine with me. I'm just going to note this down. Okay. So, we'll see what happens. If I do end up buying it, you'll see me post it on my YouTube community page where I post my buys and sells. We're going to save this as moves like Enphase. Just going to recalculate, save changes. All right. We've done that. Now we're looking at casting a wide net for gems. This is a combination of, I believe, Digital Turbine and a couple other ones that went over 1,000%. Digital Turbine did go from $1.20 to over $100. So that was one of my favorite finds. Oh crap, sorry. Okay. I just deselected this ETF filter. We want to have that selected because we don't want ETFs. So we're gonna go ahead and save grab. Okay. I'm interested. Okay, let's stop. Okay, this is gonna be called casting wide net. And 100,000 portfolio. Save. I do just want to open Grab really quick because I know in the Philippines, I think Grab is essentially their DoorDash. I think it was called Grab. Millions of drivers. Yes, order groceries, packages, hail a taxi. Yes, 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 yes. This is absolutely the DoorDash, Uber, Lyft for Asia. And they're on track for 6, 12, 18, 24, 2.6 billion this year. Wow. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Dude. Yo. 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 Quick ratio, beautiful gross margins. They're not profitable. Insiders own a lot, really? Where's Grab? Let's do Grab here. Yo, this is like oh my gosh, this is an opportunity. Institutions own 54.3%. That's new data. Old data is 39. That's absolutely crusher of a new number. Grab. Wow. All right, well, we are tracking it now, so that is great. I think we are. Crap. Let's see. Portfolio. Yeah. Okay. So we are. I just wasn't sure. Okay. So we've got that. Now we're looking at this is specifically for Digital Turbine associated stocks that could go 1000% based off of where Digital Turbine was when it was a freaking dollar before it went to $100. So yeah. Um, yes. Very freaking awesome. One of these days, I'm gonna have to go through all of these and chart them out and whatnot. All right, so this is Nvidia. This is before Nvidia had the 1000% move. Money Lion. That sounds interesting. I'm just gonna check it out because it sounds really interesting. America's Car Mart. Wow. What's Moneyline? I just want to see what Moneyline is. That sounds very intriguing. Wow. It's already up 1000% since almost 486%. Wow. What is Moneyline? Digital financial service and lifestyle content? What? 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 Kind of like M1 Finance Robinhood type thing, it looks like. No, it's like a public brokerage. You know how you can post and stuff? Um, Kind of looks like a SoFi. Reminds me of a SoFi, Robinhood, M1 Finance, public. Um, it is still decently priced in the future, so we're gonna skip on it, but that's a very interesting name. Okay, so we're gonna obviously save this. I mean, save as portfolio. Like NVIDIA, recalculate, save. All right. Okay, and we're moving on to our last one, but I do also want to just let you know this list will change daily because certain stocks will make moves and it could fall out of one of these parameters. Like maybe tomorrow institutions, or maybe later this year, institutions liquidate to have some offsetting tax uh, settlements. So institutional ownership will go under 30%, for example. Or the stock price will go from $7.02 to $6.99 and it falls off like here. Or it's a holiday half day and average volume gets hit really hard and so it falls off. So just be aware. Typically, what you want to do is you want to scan these daily, put them in a spreadsheet. If they are duplicates, they have it set up, a macro set up so it scans out any duplicates, put the unique stocks into a separate list, then review the stock, perform technical analysis, look at supports, resistance, MACD, stochastics, volume, RSI, the gambit. Because again, you need to be very proactive, and I have not been very proactive. Um, this is me being proactive partially. We're gonna just look at it from a snapshot from this time. We're gonna call this. Oh goodness, what was this one? Shoot, crud. What was this called? Potential 20x stocks. So this must have been when Nvidia went 20x, not 1000%, 2000%. All right, recalculate and let's go. All right. That is the end of this video. Let me know what you think. We will check back in on this in a year from now. Hope you're doing well. Take care. Consider subscribing, by the way.